Savor the sweet life in the sugar central of Luzon, where you can live close to nature while still enjoying the comforts and convenience of suburban living. Live close to nature, where the freshness of the air invigorates and the lushness of surroundings embraces you. The town of Herona is a first-class municipality located just outside the limits of Tarlac City. The main artery of MacArthur Highway runs through the town center, connecting it to the neighboring areas and regions. Enjoy the comfort and quiet of countryside and start each day with renewed energy. Here at El Pueblo Verde, life is designed to be savored one sweet moment at a time. In the urban area, portions have been set aside as an agro-industrial zone and another as a light industrial zone. This town has schools, churches, clinics, parks, and commercial centers. El Pueblo Verde is situated near the Hirona Municipal Hall and Town Center. Live in the lushness and serene life. Choose to live in El Pueblo Verde.